Hello students, in the continuation of the chapter The British from Traders to Rulers, today we will talk about the conflict in Bengal. Students, you know that the British East India Company, they only wanted concessions and privileges from the Indian rulers to control over the Indian market, and for that the company tried continuously for more concessions in trade. So, during the Aurangzeb's rule, the Britishers they convinced the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb, to allow them to trade in Bengal without paying any duty. Here the duty means the taxes which has been collected for importing and exporting the goods. So, Aurangzeb had granted the right only the company to trade duty free, but the officers of the company were carrying on a private trade on the side without paying any to the rulers, as well as those company members and officials. They also began to fortify its settlements in Bengal. Here the fortify means to making walls around their factories and settlements, and all this led to the huge loss of revenue for Bengal. And after the death of Aurangzeb, problem arose for the company in Bengal, as the Nawab of the Bengal, they want to maintain their powers and their autonomy, so that the conflict between the Bengal's Nawabs and the East India Company started when the Nawabs refused to grant the company to the concession, and they demanded large payments for the company's right to trade. Even Nawabs also asked to the company to stop fortifying settlements, as because they did not trust the company and refused to grant any trade concessions. As a result, the early part of the 18th century, a conflict has aroses between the company and the Nawabs of Bengal, and eventually is leading the Battle of Plassey. So, in our next video, we will talk about the Battle of Plassey.